Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Sabinus. Osakola. Very dark man. What are you doing? Look at the board. We have a very big issue on the board. Guys, look at the board. We have a very big issue on the board. They said the sides of the rectangle are, open the bracket, 3 minus the square root of 5 centimeter, and 3 plus the square root of 5 centimeter. Express the length of the diagonal as a sword. Express the length of a diagonal as a sword. This thing is very, very simple. Let's look at the board. Very dark man. Very dark man. Leave that case now. Look at the board. Okay, for us to go further now, we know that rectangle is of this form. It's of this form. And these sides are longer than this side. So here is the width and here is the what? The length. Here is the breadth and here is the length. It's the width and here is the length. Then let's take the smaller parts to be the what? To be the breadth. In the smaller parts to be the breadth, we have 3 minus square root of 5. And then the longer side to be the what? To be the length. You understand? If here is 3 plus square root of 5, that means here will be 3 plus square root of 5. That means here is also 3 plus, here is 3 minus the square root of 5, right? So let's draw the diagonal. By the time we draw the diagonal, here now let's name the diagonal anything. So I can name the diagonal x, because I don't know what the diagonal is. So they said we should solve for the diagonal. By solving for the diagonal now, I can say this very particular thing now is like this. And if it's like this, we have 3 minus the square root of 5. And if it's like this, we have 3 plus the square root of what? Square root of 5. We divide this into 2. The diagonal divide this into 2. By that now, and we say here is x. By that now, we can apply Pythagoras theorem. By applying Pythagoras theorem, now we have x squared equals to what? D squared. Say x, this, which is 3 plus the square root of 5 squared, plus this square, we have 3 minus the square root of 5 squared. By the time we do it that way, we have x squared to be equals to, this simply means 3 plus the square root of 5 and 3 plus the square root of 5, plus this simply means 3 minus the square root of 5 because it's 2, and then 3 minus the square root of what? Square root of 5. By solving further now, we have x squared to be equals to, this multiplied by this will give us 9, this multiplied by this will give us plus 3 root 5, this multiplied by this will give us plus 3 root 5, this multiplied by this will give us plus 5, plus this multiplied by this will give us 9, this multiplied by this will give us minus 3 root 5, this multiplied by this will give us minus 3 root 5, this multiplied by this will give us plus 5. Okay, solving further now, which with ease, we have our x squared to be equals to 9, we have 9 here, we have 9 plus 2, here will be 6 root 5. 3 root 5 plus 3 root 5 will give us 6 root 5, plus 5 plus 9, here minus 3 root 5 minus 3 root 5 will give us minus 6 root 5 minus 6 root 5 plus what? Plus 5. And then let's solve it. Let's put it here. By solving further now, we have 9 plus 9 to give us 9 plus 9 to give us 18. 18 plus 5 to give us 23. 23 plus this now to give us 28. So we have x squared to be equal to 28. Yes, 28 plus, then all these ones are half roots. We will observe that 6 root 5 minus 6 root 5 is out. They are out. So we are left with what? We are left with x squared equals to what? 28. To look for x now, we say our x now is equals to the square root of what? 28. And our x now is equals to what? Our x is what? Root 28. We can break root 28 down, but just leave it. It's all short form. So let's say our x is the square root of what? 28. Guys, please do well to like, do well to share, and do well to comment. Sabinus, Sabinus, hope you understand. Thank you. Kudos to you guys.